Welcome to Regular Expressions on freeCodeCamp. This is check for all or none. Sometimes the patterns you want to search for may have parts of it that may or may not exist. However, it may be important to check for them nonetheless. You can specify the possible existence of an element with a question mark. This checks for 0 or one of the preceding element. You can think of this symbol as saying the previous element is optional. For example, there are slight differences in American and British English, and you can use the question mark to match both spellings. For example, we have the American color with no U and then the British color with the U. We can create a regex that's going to find all patterns of color, the American version and British, by making the U optional here. So when we test both versions, they both return true. Our challenge says change the regex to match both the American English favorite and the British English favorite version of the word. So again, doing the same thing with the U there. So if we come over here and we go into our regex, we can update this here to FAVOU question mark because it is optional. And then RITE. So this should allow us to search both versions, and both versions would return true. So if we log this out, we should get true. We do. If we change this to the U version, it also does. Anything else will be false. So let's test that. And we did pass a test. What we learned here is using question mark when we want to make a letter or pattern optional. And that's it for this lesson.